And in this battle of survival that it has now become for the TMC, back-to-back meetings are currently underway. Yesterday, you saw Sonia Gandhi and Mamata Banerjee meeting for about an hour. And today, it was Abhishek Banerjee's turn to meet Rahul Gandhi. This was about a 30-minute long interaction, and a lot of rumors and speculations doing the round about what could have been possibly the agenda of this interaction. Mamata Banerjee and Abhishek Banerjee had come to the national capital ahead of India bloc meeting. We saw visuals of Sonia Gandhi hugging Mamata Banerjee during that meeting. Then yesterday, Mamata Banerjee was headed to Sonia's residence, and then they had an hour-long interaction over there. And today, it was Abhishek Banerjee's turn to meet Rahul Gandhi. Niyamika, these back-to-back meetings, what are your sources telling you? What is next? On record, they might say that it is about making INDIA bloc stronger and working together in West Bengal, but define it for our viewers. What does it mean when they say working together for the people in West Bengal or otherwise?
Well, it is a very crucial time for Mamata Banerjee as the way in which this split has taken place within the Trinamool Congress. Soon after that, we have seen that there are back-to-back meetings which have been done by Mamata Banerjee and Abhishek Banerjee with the top leadership of the Congress party. Firstly, it was Mamata Banerjee and Sonia Gandhi meeting which had taken place yesterday at 10 Janpath, and today Abhishek Banerjee had come to meet Rahul Gandhi. That clearly signifies something, as we have seen that how the TMC is also trying to seek some support from the other India bloc partners, the way in which the member of parliament from the Trinamool Congress, they are resigning back to back. So now they are also trying to seek some support, some help from the other opposition parties. There are multiple scenarios which have come to the fore. There are some speculations as well. We have listened to the statement which was being given by the Congress party's Lok Sabha MP Mr. Imran Masood, in which he had suggested that it would be much better if Trinamool Congress merge with the Congress party immediately, and that is what is being said by during these reports which are also coming in. But as of now, there is no official confirmation which is being done either by the Congress party or by the TMC, because the sources are only suggesting that in these meetings there was a discussion which has taken place regarding the scenario, the political developments which are taking place in West Bengal, and how to strengthen the India bloc partners, India bloc alliance.
That's precisely my question. The ongoing political scenario can be nothing else except one after the other leaders from the TMC, whether it is the West Bengal Assembly or the national capital in the parliament MPs, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. Everybody is lining up and taking the exit route. What is the future that they're talking about? But you've also got us more information, like you were just underlining, that you have learned from about the meeting between Rahul Gandhi and Abhishek Banerjee, that they were focusing on political situation in West Bengal and the ways in which Congress and TMC can work together. Niyamika, coming back to my question, what are these ways in which Congress and TMC can work together, if not perhaps merging to survive?
Well, there are many possible scenarios. In fact, merger is also, which is there. This is widely being reported. In fact, many of the leaders are also, having certain talks within their close circles as well. That is there any possibility of having this merger of the Trinamool Congress with the Congress party? In fact, there are some positive points for the TMC as well. If there is going to be this merger, if it will take place in the upcoming days, then clearly the majority mark, the way in which the rebellion faction is claiming that they have a support of the 20 MPs in the parliament, and they are also going to submit a letter to the speaker. That is going to be on hold if this merger is going to take place, because clearly then this two-third majority is not going to be retained by this rebellion faction. So that is going to be in favor of Trinamool Congress. Also, if they want to, if this is going to take place, then clearly the people who have already resigned from the membership as an MP, that is all they are not going to have the same position then. So clearly it is going to be in favor of the Trinamool Congress if this merger is going to take place. But I am also going to mention here, as there is no official confirmation which is being done either by the Trinamool Congress or by the Congress party that any discussion or any confirmation has been made on the part of the top leadership of both the parties.
We'll also come back to you, Niyamika, about what are the non-merger options that could be favorable for the TMC, but it is so obvious that this perhaps is the most viable option that is in front of Mamata Banerjee, that even Congress leaders have now started coming on record to suggest that the two parties must reunite as soon as possible. Listen into Congress MP Imran Masood.
देखिए, तुरंत करना चाहिए। मेरी अगर आप व्यक्तिगत माने तो तुरंत करना चाहिए। रास्ते तो ब्लॉक होंगे। जो लोग जीतकर कहीं से किस विचारधारा पे आते हैं और उसी विचारधारा को त्याग करके एकदम विपरीत विचारधारा में पहुंच जाते हैं, वो कैसे लोग होते हैं? आपको जिसने दिया है, जिस पार्टी ने आपको दिया है, उसके लिए आपका इतना भी समर्पण, इतनी भी वफादारी नहीं।